I bet you didn't know this, but camel humps are not the desert water tanks we thought they were. When you picture a camel, what's the first thing that pops into your mind? Those peculiar humps, right? Well, hold on to your hats because they're not filled with water as the old tales suggest. Nope, those humps are actually fat storage units. Yes, you heard it right. Each hump is like a compact onboard lunchbox. When food and water are scarce, which let's face it is pretty much all the time in the desert, camels break down this stored fat into water and energy. This clever adaptation allows them to go weeks without a proper meal and still keep trucking across those vast, arid landscapes. So next time you see a camel, remember you're not just looking at a creature of endurance, but a master of metabolic magic. How's that for a hump day surprise?